Today we are going to see some various essential functions in Excel for data preprocessing. So first of all, we are going to the basic functions of average. The average function is one of the popular built-in functions in Excel. The average function is typically used to retrieve the average value or arithmetic mean from the supplied range of cells of numeric values. We can see some example of average function in Excel. Marks of Arun. So in here we have to type that is equal to average and open and close bracket. After typing, press enter and click to the OK and select the columns which we want to find the average. I'm here selecting the values for values and press enter. Here we find the average of Arun. So in the same way we can find the average of the Bibin, Sumesh, Vishnu. We have to drag this to top to down to find the average of other students. Thus here we complete the average functions in Excel. So next we are going to see some sum function in Excel. The sum in Excel is a built-in function which adds all the number in the range of cells and returns the result of the addition. The syntax is equal to sum open close bracket. Find the total sum of Arun. So here we have to write that, select the column and write that is equal to sum and open close bracket and press enter. And here we want to select OK and select the 4 columns and press enter. Here we found the sum of all marks of Arun, and the same way we can find the other students, like select the first column and drag to top to down, and we have find the sum values of other students also. Next we are going to the third function, that is missing value. It is an easy method to fill the missing value in Excel is to make use of the go to special option. The step is that select the column and click F5 and click a special, tick the blank checkbox, then click OK. Enter a column to the empty column and click Alt plus enter. So we are going to see the missing value function in Excel. Here we can see the missing values in each column. So we have to do that. Select the blank space and press F5 button, and a dialog box will appear, and select here the special button, and here we can see so many options here. So here we select the blanks and click OK. So in here we have to fill the missing value as 85. So here we type 85 and plus Alt plus enter. So we can see here that the missing values are filled with 85. To see the fourth function, remove duplicates. This is the function to remove all the duplicates values in the table. Steps: select the data set, in data select remove duplicates, then click OK. Here we are going to see an example. Here is a data set with duplicate values. It is a small data set. By giving a big data set, it is difficult to remove duplicates. So the easiest way to remove duplicates is that select all the fields, and in data here we see the remove duplicates. Click here and select all the options and then click OK. Here we can see the 2 duplicates values are deleted. And we are going to see the fifth functions of Excel, that is test to column. Test to columns is a feature in Excel. The test is one cell or column into many columns. Steps: select the cell that contain the test you want to split. Select the data test to columns. In the convert test to columns wizard, select delimited nest and select the delimiters for your data, for example comma space. Select finish. Here we are going to see with some example.
Here we can see the details of some students, and we can see the house name, place, state in one column. We have to separate this in 3 columns, that is house name in one column, place in one column, and state in one column. To do this, we have to select the column that we have to split into 3, and after that we have to select it in data. We have to select the test 2 columns. In here we have to select that delimited and click next. Here we have to select the comma and click next, and then after clicking the finish, we will get this in this format, that is house name in one column, place in one column, and state in one column. And we have to click here finish, click OK. So we can see that the house name, place, and state are in 3 columns. In next functions, we have to see that trim. The trim function is used to remove the extra spaces from the start and the end of the cell value. The syntax is trim open close bracket. Here we can see some data have names, the names with the unwanted space. So to avoid this, we have to select the column and type here as is equal to trim and open close bracket, and after that select the cell we want to avoid the unwanted space and click enter. Here we can see the name comes with avoiding the unwanted space. To do this all to the other names, just select this and drag to top to down, and we can see the all names have removed the unwanted space between them. And we have completed the 6 basic functions of Excel data preprocessing. And thank you all.